Hello everyone! Today we are going to do fruit kebabs. The first step is to choose the fruit. In my case, I'm going to use banana, blueberry, and mandarin, but you can use whatever you like. Then we have to peel off the fruit. Now, ask an adult to help you cut it into small pieces. Be careful with the knife. We have all the small pieces. So the next step is to put them on the skewer. Well done! You have your fruit kebab. Now it's time to eat it. Hope you enjoy. And remember to have a healthy diet. Eat your 5 veggies and fruit a day.